My name is Alban Arrault. I work within the R&D of Servier. I am currently director of the data analytics strategy, which consists in identifying every piece of the R&D chain for which we are convinced artificial intelligence can help to go faster. I am also in charge of our digital R&D platform, which is called Federate, and surprisingly, there is a link between each other, since what we develop in the data analytics roadmap can be implemented in our Federate tool in order to make it accessible to every employee of the R&D. I am chemist by training, and I did a PhD in molecular modeling and chemoinformatics. And at that period, 20 years ago, it was already artificial intelligence that we were using. Then I finished my PhD in parallel with a master degree in pharmacology. I have worked in two companies, the first one, which is Alban Arrault in Switzerland, in Basel, and the second one, Servier, for now 17 years. During my career in Servier, I have played a role as a chemist, chemoinformatician, pharmacokinetician, project manager, program manager, and then strategy director. Working in pharmaceutical company was just an evidence. Like a lot of us, I have been impacted by the disease in my family. And having in hand chemistry plus biology, both boosted by IT technologies, was just a good combination to work in drug discovery. The data ecosystem is very large, very huge. There are many stakeholders, and you have to bring people with you, not only technologies, but you have to be oriented towards human. And first, so many interaction with the users, the end users, and secondly, you have also to develop your network, internally speaking, with people who knows about technologies, and especially the IT department, for which we have a huge partnership together. Very importantly too, is to work with external partners. So for example, we have ICA, Okin or Google, for which we have identified in certain parts of the R&D an interest to work with these partners. Every day I have to ensure to develop new data tools which will serve the therapeutic project and which will impact the therapeutic project in terms of first, the probability of success of my project. I want to be better, I want to have high quality medicine, and the shortest as possible for the patient, and then communicate to all the end user the benefit of all these approaches and to show them that there is an added value in their daily job. My typical day is to take care about the planning and what we have to do in terms of use case and what we have to deliver in terms of data tools. This is mandatory in order to estimate if there is any deviation, any alerts, and if this is the case, to go directly to the right person to solve the issue. The second one is to continue to develop always, every day, the network, internally but also externally, with all the partners that we need, and in order also to identify new partners to work in the future with them. First of all, it was the first French independent pharmaceutical company. I think this was the starting point. But then I just saw a company definitely oriented towards the patient, towards what we can bring to the patient. And this was a high degree of motivation, as I told you before. This is something which is for me an evidence. And finally, Servier offered me many opportunities to change of position and to upskill myself in different areas. Here, in Saclay, we have a chance to have a building which is circular, in 2 floors, and every day you have the opportunity to meet many people. Even if I am a small piece of all this drug discovery process, I'm so motivated to know that artificial intelligence can help and can accelerate the drug discovery for the patient.